Hello, I'm Georgi, and I'll be talking about what we did in version 08 of Chibi, our robot pet. Generally, the whole iteration is a shift from Python to C++. We rewrote all the source code in C++ while looking to save the existing functionality. The code is now a lot more robust and fast. We changed our IDE from Visual Studio Code to Visual Studio 2019. We also moved repository from GitHub to DevOps. The new repo is more flexible and works well with the new IDE. The whole robot was reprinted. Some parts were worn out and others were upgraded. The body core itself now has double the thickness it had before. This is important because it gives much more stability to movements such as walking. The body is also connected better with bigger side, front and back connectors. Maybe the biggest physical improvement are the internal parts. That is where we put the batteries, Raspberry Pi modules and their accessories. The previous iteration had almost no internal structure. This update is a big one because it centers the weight, which makes the center of gravity much more predictable. We made the mouth mechanism and printed it. We haven't tested it quite yet. Also, some servo failures made us take the mouth servos, so the mouth got delayed. We introduced the wireless charging pad. This one is huge since it enables the robot to charge itself automatically. We went with a simple design so we can see how it works and make changes. We switched to more powerful servos. This enables the robot to stand up without hassle. However, we are not quite satisfied with the 270-degree version since it has compatibility issues with the libraries. Also, we are thinking of hacking a servo so it has feedback of the current position, or even use robot servos, which are more expensive but have better features and the quality is better too. Some movements were recreated and some new were added. The walking is now using interrupt signals. This means the individual servos don't wait for some preset time before moving, but wait for a flag which tells it to move. This enables the walk to be smoother than before and not so prone to error. Left and right rotation were only recreated. When doing the wander or recharge actions, Chibi can now decide to walk back if it sees too much obstacles in front. Sit and stand were added as new actions. Lay was added too, but it still has some issues. After a bug, we added dance too. Wander has been reworked and now includes walk back. The action shifts between walk forward or backwards and rotate left or right. Recharge is used when the battery is getting low and we want Chibi to recharge on the charging pad. It starts with Wander, then when it sees a QR code, it aligns itself with it and lays down to recharge. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to check out our website v0.08, where you can pre-order Chibi. Have a nice day.